What's up, foodie gang? We are making my version of Obey hot wings. All the ingredients will be listed in the description. We're going to need our butter for this recipe, Obey hot sauce, which is the key ingredient here, and our Obey rub. This is natural, traditional Obey seasoning. This rub, it tastes better in my opinion, but again, it's good for fish and chicken. You definitely need this for this recipe. You're also going to need some olive oil. And what I'll do with my chicken, here's a quick tip. I wash the chicken and I allow the chicken to dry out on a rack in the fridge overnight, so that way it ensures the chicken is completely thawed, clean, and dry. And we need it dry because we are going to put a dry mix on it. So we're going to need the olive oil, of course, so the seasoning can adhere to the chicken. And from there, that's when we hit it with the Obey rub. Now this rub, you want it to evenly coat the chicken, so that way you're going to, you use the best tools in the kitchen, your hands, and you're going to rub and make sure you can get that chicken evenly coated, so that way it can be all over the chicken. And from there, we're going to go ahead and put that in the air fryer. Now I will say, it's up to you. I let my chicken marinate overnight. You could just let it marinate for 30 minutes or so, but you do not want to cook extremely cold chicken. Let's go to the air fryer. So this is an air fryer oven I got a couple years ago. I just, lightly put some vegetable oil in there, spray it, and I assemble the chicken. Now, depending on the air fryer, you may have to flip the chicken halfway through, but this air fryer that I have, I can just set it and it'll be all good. So what I did was I just hit the chicken setting and I just pressed start. So cooked it for 40 minutes at 370, and of course here is how it looked. Wow, look at that. So that chicken really turned out good in the air fryer. So I'm picking up the chicken to show you guys. Look at that dry rub. Look how juicy that chicken still is. So I'm just picking up each piece to show you guys how it is. But again, all the air fryers are different, so don't beat me up in the comment section. This is how my air fryer did it. It turned out good, and look, the meat is slipping off with my tongue, so it's really good. The air fryer is like a really good investment again, and it cooked it in 40 minutes. All right, we're gonna take some butter. Bam, we're gonna take some melted butter, that is, and we're going to put that over our wings. Once we put that melted butter over those hot wings, again, that is going to soak up that flavor from the butter. And I'm using the Obey hot sauce, and we're going to put a generous amount. So again, you're going to need some melted butter, this Obey hot sauce, and that's when you could either do it two ways. You could typically use the tongs, which I'm using here, or you could simply just use your hands and just swish it around in a bowl. But again, you just want to make sure that spice and that seasoning from the hot sauce and that butter is all over the wings. And you see, we're building flavors. It's really simple, and it's easy. It's pretty straightforward. So I just did this to make sure all the wings are nice and coated. I'm gonna show you the wings. Look at that. You got that seasoning on there. That's amazing. Now you could put that back in the air fryer for a few minutes if you want it a little harder, but with me that's fine. All right, let's assemble these wings. So we take the wings and we assemble it. And again, I only made 4. It was just for myself, so I just wanted to give you guys a quick video. And look, that leftover sauce, we don't waste nothing around these parts. So again, we drip it all over, and parsley, we put parsley on everything over here. And there we have it. We have our Obey hot wings. Real fast, simple, and easy to make. Not going to take all day. Hope you enjoy. Do not forget to follow me on Instagram at EatsWithTwan, and have a good day.